Good morning, boys and girls. Today's math lesson has to do with some of the materials that I left at your house in a Ziploc. The first thing that you're going to need to get out of there is this recyclable tray. This recyclable tray is made out of paper that was recycled and made into a tray. Okay? We're using it to put some items that you know that you have in your bag. You must have these unifix cubes. Take them out. Okay? We're going to work on them. All right? So we're going to be making today patterns. And patterns are very important in kindergarten. So when pre-K comes over, you must have already had an opportunity to learn about patterns. The first time that you did patterns with Mr. Rodriguez was when we did the caterpillar. If you remember the caterpillar, I gave you the manipulatives to create one, and then you had to color them exactly on the paper the way you made it on the picture. Then later, Ms. Arias sat with you and did some other patterns with other materials that we had at the moment. But now that we are in quarantine, it is important for you to know that you can still continue to do patterns by using these unifix cubes. So keep them in handy, because today we're going to make an AB pattern. And I'm going to say AAB pattern. And let me explain myself. I'm not going to make an AB pattern that easy because you already know how to make that. You just repeat one behind the other. The challenging ones are AAB, ABB, and ABC. So AAB is the one I'm going to do today. I'm going to use a green one for A. So I should have two of them. Okay? That's AA. And this other color would be B. That is an AAB pattern. Okay? That is an AAB pattern. Now for me to repeat it, I have to repeat the same colors that I used. So I use green, green, blue, then green, green. What comes next? Blue. So you need to work with this way. Okay? I'm going to get some more because I didn't think I was going to use a little more. But I have it. Don't worry. I have my Ziploc just like you do. So let's continue now. Now I'm going to continue my pattern. AAB, AAB, A, and now what? B, B. So there's two A's, one B, two A's, one B, two A's, one B. Or two greens, one blue, two greens, one blue, two greens, one blue. Now what comes next? A. So now I'm going to make another A, but is it one time? No, it's two times I have to do that letter A. And then I finish with B. This is my pattern using unifix cubes. Now I want to do the opposite one. I want to do an ABB pattern. An ABB pattern is going to be the opposite of what you see here. Okay? So I'm going to use white for A. And I'm going to use this brick brown color or terracotta color for B. So I said ABB, so A, B, I have to put another B. You see? ABB. So what comes next on the pattern? A. What comes next on the pattern? B. So you need to make two B's. Got it? ABB, ABB. What comes next? A. And I'm going to add what? B, B. You can say white, brown, white, brown, white, brown, or white, brown, brown, white, brown, brown, white, brown, brown. But it's called ABB, ABB, ABB. What's next here in the pattern? A. Very good. So now you're getting it. And then we add how many B's? 2. Now, this was the first one. Do you see the difference now? This is AAB, but this one is ABB. There's a difference. Okay, look at it very carefully. There's a difference. Now, once you make your pattern with your unifix cubes, it is expected of you as a pre-K going to kindergarten that you should be using this Ziploc that I prepared for you. I gave you three of them. And each one says exactly what you are supposed to make. So you need to find out which Ziploc says AAB first. When you get it, you will stick it on paper. I would prefer you do your journal and paste them on here and let it dry, and then write AAB pattern. So I'm going to use my journal markers to help you with this, because the markers tend to make it easier to illustrate as you draw. So I'm going to do A, and then another color, B. And it should look like this. Now I'm going to repeat this pattern using only the blue, blueberry, and the red cherry markers. Okay? So when you are doing a pattern, you have to focus on what is the task, the pattern that I asked you to make. So make it on your journal. Make sure that you're making the correct one. Okay? And that you have the opportunity to finish it right on time. This is very important because when you go to kindergarten, they're not going to give you sometimes a lot of time to do this. They're going to tell you to do this very quickly. So that little hand of yours has to develop a little bit of speed. So I finished my pattern. Now I can write what I made. What did I make? I made a B pattern. And it's very important that you write that on the primary lines where each letter goes. Did you see the P? It's not up here, it's down here. All the others are where they're supposed to be. All right? When you go to Google Meet today and we do this, you need to bring some glue, white glue, or paste, the glue sticks. So take out your bags and do that when we come together today. All right? Have a great day. Enjoy this beautiful weather. And I'll see you at Google Meet. Bye.